Today we're looking at a stove that has burners that do not regulate. They just go to high. You can't turn them to low or medium. They're dual burners, which is a dual element, and we're going to be replacing an infinite switch. So there's a picture of the switch that's going to be replaced. That was already removed. We unplugged the stove, and then we have to remove the back of the panel to access the switch to replace it. In the front, we'll pull the knob off, slide it off, and there's two screws that hold the switch into the control panel. We'll remove those screws, and that allows access to the switch itself. We'll compare the replacement to the switch that was defective in the unit. We'll remove these wires. They are in this block on this particular switch, and so you have to pry this block apart. They're spade connectors that just slide and clip back on, and so they're all together. Once we use a screwdriver, we can just wiggle it and pry it off little by little. Just take your time, and then you should be able to slide it off with your thumb and just pop it right out of place. Then put it on your new switch and just squeeze it together, and it'll click into place. So you see the orientation of it on the switch. Slide it together. Make sure it's seated all the way. Check both sides. And then the orientation that it came out of the control panel. And reassemble it by putting the little shaft through the hole and put the two screws in, and then you'll put the knob back on, and we'll turn it and test it. We'll test the inner element, and then the outer and the inner come on together. So the right hand side is just for the small, center, and the outside and the inside come on as one. So now we're testing the inside, center element, and then both elements come on, and then they should heat up and then click off automatically. Before, they would just heat up and just stay on. They wouldn't pulsate. Yeah, I know it needs to be cleaned. Anyways, I hope this video helps somebody, and you can fix your stove for you, a friend, or loved one. Make some money, save some money. Anyways, have a great day.